Hey guys, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with my new release video for this week. There are a lot of releases this week. Last week we had 5 collections released and then just the old wiggles. This week we have like our normal roundup of some a wiggle for this week, 3 wheat vinyls, a washi, 3 scribbler designs, and then 3 foil designs along with a monthly. 4 collections, 2 of them being exclusive artwork. So let's go ahead and start with the wiggle. Also coming out this week because I forgot last week is the February mystery foil bundle. I had forgotten to put that up. Last week was kind of like a mess just because I was traveling and I had a lot of stuff to do, the foil sale and everything, so I forgot to put those up, but we will put them up on Friday this week. And then I have some random seals that I'm going to be putting in the shop. I think it's like maybe the Cyber Monday ones, the Valentine's Day TN ones, and I think there was one other one that I'll be putting up the extras that we have in the shop. So this is this week's wiggle. This week's wiggle is kind of hard to explain. It's like a champagne gold hollow. It's kind of like you just gotta see for yourself kind of thing. But it's not just champagne. It's not just champagne glitter. It has like a duo shift. If you guys have any better ideas on a name, you can let me know, but it's not like a champagne gold sparkle. There is like a duo shift in there. You guys can see that. I'll have to ask the girls if they have any better ideas for it, but it is so pretty. It's a foil color I feel like could match a lot of different kits, which is super nice. But I am super excited about it, and I think this week I'm going to start kind of like giving suggestions of what I would pair this with. This one could go with a lot because it is very just like golden sparkly with just like the slightest hint of like hollow. Same sheets as per always, so you have your bottom washi overlays. Each sheet is $2, but if you pick the all 6 option, you get all 6 sheets for $10. This is the sampler page, which the weekend banner is not cut out on this yet either. Then you have these are so pretty, the glitter header overlays, the full box overlays, the circle icons, and then also the corner photo corners. So this is the wiggle for this week. It is so pretty and I am so excited for it. That'll be available Wednesday at noon Eastern until it sells out. Super excited about that. Then let's go into this week's releases that are not, let's do this week's releases that are not kits first. So that will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern, and then the rest of these will be available Friday at noon Eastern. So this week I do have 3 foil releases. We have our mini star deco, so those are all individually cut itty bitty little stars in all 3 foils. There is also the star header overlays, so these match these and the mini deco match the full box overlays, the star full box overlays. So if you have those, these go perfectly. So these are the headers. So these kind of match, and they'll be available in all 3 foils. And then I did redo our bow sheet. Our other bow sheet is sold out. So I did our little bit of more of a simplified bow, and there are 3 sizes on here. Similar size sheet to the last time, just a little bit the simplified bow like the one on the washi and all 3 foils. Speaking of washi, I do have a washi coming out this week. This is just a single roll washi, and this is a really pretty blue. It reminds me of like a Cinderella blue washi roll, and it is a collab with Once More With Love. I love our double bow designs. They're super cute. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys that swatched, of course. So these are sets that are currently in the shop. So we have this one, which is like a spring set that has 5 rolls, and then we did just release recently the white and silver, and then this is the blue, silver, and the collab with Once More With Love. So they look so pretty together. Like some of these combos are just to die for, like those two, but it's very like Cinderella blue, I feel like. So love that. And again, that is a Once More With Love collab. Then we do have 3 scribbler designs coming out this week. They do come in all 3 girls. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit more. I haven't done my nails, so I apologize. So you have the scribbler with the candle. Then you have the chef hat, and then this one has a face mask, and I love this one. It's like a charcoal mask, and this one reminds me of like a rose mask, and this one reminds me of like a bubble mask, and I just love them. I think they're so cute. Super excited for those. Will match so many spreads. Then I do have some vinyl bows for this week, so I have 3 different vinyl bows for you guys. These are limited, just because we only prepped a certain amount of them. Last time I released them, the Black Hollow sold out, I think the first or second day. And then we still have a couple left of the Baby Matte Pink. So this one here is called Hot Pink Sparkle. It's so hard to show this. I should actually bring home like little like pieces of like the vinyl so I can show you guys, but let me see if you guys can see. It is a sparkly hot, I feel really bad on my cuticles. A sparkly hot pink. So that one will be available this Friday. And these are just like, you know, regular average vinyl. They're not metal or anything like that. So there is that one. I'm putting it back in its cello so I don't mess it up. And then this one is black matte. So my matte black. Ugh, I'm the worst. Okay. Pull this up a little. Okay. So this is the black matte. So it's a matte black color. Simple. I feel like this one will probably sell out pretty quickly just because it is like a very neutral color that could go on a lot of different things. And then the last one here is called Magenta Sparkle. This one's really pretty too. I love the ones that are sparkly because they have like a really pretty like silver sparkle throughout. Let me go ahead and just kind of get this one down a little bit. It's so hard to see through the like clear overlay, but I want you guys to see the color as best as possible. So here is the Magenta Sparkle. That one's super pretty as well, and those are vinyls. So we have those 3 vinyl releases for this week, and they are just our vinyl bows. Then we do have a bunch of other items coming Friday as well. So we have a bunch of sticker items, which I'm super excited about. Last week we had, I think, was it 5 releases or 4? I think it's 5 releases. This week we have 4. So let me go ahead and show you guys the non-exclusive art first. So I do have this kit here, which is a Mother's Day kit. A lot of people told me that they were going to use this for birthdays and things like that too. I think is a great idea, like especially like a mom's birthday, but I feel like you could also like, you know, not use the mom mug, and then if you want to, I mean, you can still use that as just like a squiggly, or you could put like a sticker on top of it, but there is other like full boxes in here. You can make this just like a random like birthday kit, or just a really pretty colored kit, but it's really pretty. I called this M because of the M on the cake. And I love the colors in this kit. It reminds me a lot of Kirsten. You got a lot of gold glitter throughout, which I think is super fun. A ton of deco. You have your squared off boxes. You have your, this is like the newer format because this art just came out. You have your extra full box here. A bunch of those squared off boxes, little check boxes, icons. You have the glitter on the flags. And this is the functional page. You have your half boxes page. Your pattern washi page. So many pages. You have your little things page, you have your ombre hair checklist page, and then you have your bottom washi, which I just think is so pretty with the floral and the stripes. I'm really into stripes right now, and I love the gold on top of it. I just think it's a really pretty collection. And then this is the little freebie that comes with it, which is the Andrea Munchkins, and I just think they're so cute. And then you have the little extra squared off box on there as well, and that is the ultimate kit for the M collection. This also does come in the option of a mini kit. We have been doing unlimited stock for the whole weekend. Usually we do 3-hour unlimited stock, but I've been able to, with production, accommodate for a longer unlimited stock, which you guys have been liking, and I have been able to keep up with currently. So that is what we are doing. So I do have the bottom washi here to show you guys the 15mm. If you want to add this on, I really like this green color rather than going with the pink, just because I think so many pink 15mm options. But I think the green will look really nice with this. I really love the green color that the artist chose for this collection, so I had to feature it there. And then if you want to pick up the Fashion Girl add-on, I didn't do the kids for this just because there's so many combos, especially because then there's hair color involved. I prefer to do, like, you guys will see in the, like, the wedding kit is whenever there's no hair involved, it's a little bit easier, because I feel like when you have skin tone and hair color and you have two, like a mom and a kid, it just gets to be a lot. So what I did was I just added the flower bouquet, and then you just can pop it in. I actually really love this girl with the ombre hair. It's like a dark, kind of like the maroonish color, and then it goes down to the pink color. That's honestly my favorite one. My hair's not pink, but I just think it's super cute. And then there's also an option if you want to add on the glitter sampler right there. So that is the M kit. Let me go to the other non-exclusive one. So this is kind of like a summary, kind of anytime kit, and this is, let me see, I pulled out the wrong one. This is Boho Babe, which I think is super, super cute. I love all of the girls in this and just kind of like the vibe, the art style here. So let me go ahead and show you guys this one real quick. So this is the full boxes, and then you have your little freebie here. So you have your boxes and deco. You have, this is a little bit older form, and this was printed a little while ago. So you have your icons on top. You have your functional, your half boxes, your headers, your little things, your ombre heart checklists, and then your bottom washi and your extra full box there. It's kind of like more of a simple kit, which I really like. And I think the colors are super, super pretty. It'd be great for summer, but I feel like it would also be a really good anytime kit, and I love like pink and blue together. So that is Boho Babe, and then let me go ahead and show you guys the mini kit for that one. All of the kits this week do come in mini and ultimate, so you can have your pick on which one you prefer. So here is the full boxes. This is the mini kit. And then let me show you guys the pink 15 millimeter. It's so cute. And I think it'll be really good with the amount of green that's in here. Kind of break it up with the pink. So love that. It is super, super cute. So go ahead and put that one back. And then, of course, there's the option if you want to add on the glitter sampler. So let me go ahead and grab that. So if you want to add on the glitter sampler, you have that option as well. And the 15 millimeter washi if you want to add that on. The next kit that I have is exclusive art, which we have 2 exclusive art kits this week. And the first one here is called Planner Meetup. And I just thought it was a really, really cute, kind of like universal. You can use it for any planner meetups. I feel like there's so many nowadays. So I feel like having one of these kits in your collection is really nice if you don't have a specific kit for the planner meetup you're going to. So I thought like pinks and purples would be cute, and then you have the silver in there. You have 2 different girls up top, and I just think they're so cute. This one's holding a little Starbucks, and this one's holding a planner. I just think it's super cute. I love the colors. Tons of deco. I like, look at these colors. They're so pretty. Again, older format with the icons. You have your full box over here, your functional. You have silver glitter throughout, which is just so fun. I love the star patterns. These colors I'm just like kind of high-key living for. I think they're really great because they're kind of like, you could use this kit anytime. I don't think wait, did I not bring home? I must not have grabbed the glitter sample or the 15 millimeter for this one, so it'll be listed on the shop. So I think it's a purple, obviously. 15 millimeter strip. I must have forgot it, but there's also a glitter sampler, which I don't know why I didn't bring those home. It's kind of in a rush whenever I was grabbing all these, but that's okay. So that is Planner Meetup, and let me go ahead and show you guys the mini kit. Like I said, there will be a 15 millimeter and a glitter sampler option for this one, but I just forgot to bring them home. So soon that won't be a problem because I'm actually moving my filming office to the new office. Not soon, but in a couple months won't be a problem, so I could just walk over and grab it, but not today. Not today. I actually just got home from San Francisco today, so I am filming this so I can put it up Monday morning. So that is the Planner Meetup. And last but not least, I do have this collection, which is so pretty. I want to use this for Marg's wedding, but Marg's wedding actually falls in the same week as Father's Day, which we have a bomb kit coming out for that, guys. So just be aware and don't buy any of the Father's Day kits because it's one to go down in history of being one of the most beautiful kits ever. So I want to use it for Marg's wedding, but that's on the same week as Nick's half birthday and Father's Day, so I'm actually using this week after to be like, Marg is married. Marg is once more with love, if you guys didn't know. This is the Always collection, which how like ethereal and pretty is this? I don't need me to say anything. It's just the most beautiful wedding kit I've ever seen in my entire life. You do have your little freebie here, which is super cute. All this deco, these colors are life. I love the green. You have the newer style with extra full boxes. You have like a little wedding board with like the seat numbers on it. Your sparkly flags, your half boxes, your pattern washi, your little things, your ombre checklist, and then your bottom washi. You guys can tell I'm like super into wood bottom washi right now. I'm like super, super into it. There's also an option if you want to add on the 15 millimeter bottom washi. It does have like a light rose pattern on it. I don't know if you can tell, but I thought the texture might be something that's like a little bit different and cool. Nothing crazy, just because I assume if you're going to use that, you're probably going to use the wood washi, and I don't want it to look too crazy, but I thought the slight pattern on there would be a nice touch. There's also the option if you want to add on the glitter sampler, and then there's also an option for the fashion add-ons. So like with the guys, I didn't include his head because I didn't want to worry about hair color, so I just did 2 different guys there because, you know, it's all about the girls. So we have a pink hair girl, we have all different skin tones, hair colors, and this one kind of reminds me of Marg. And then you have a little basket that is a bride and groom, just for an extra kind of extend the kit a little bit. Then there is also option for a mini kit. I mean, this kit is so pretty though. Y'all need to get the ultimate because it's where it's at for this one. Especially if you're going to a wedding, or if it's your wedding, you for sure need the ultimate kit. And this has silver accents throughout, which I think is so pretty. And I love the outdoor wedding vibes. I love just everything about it. I am a fan of. I am a huge fan of. So that, my friends, is the Always collection. But a lot of people have been asking for a monthly for a like wedding kit, and of course if I had custom art done for a wedding kit, had to make it into a monthly. How beautiful is this? It's perfection. Living for it. It's even prettier in person versus like the colors on the screen. Like every time I look at it, it's just so beautiful. The artist did such a good job. The flowers are honestly like, these are so beautiful. I love them. I think they're so pretty. So that is the monthly kit. It's going to look so pretty with a silver script on top. Oh, I'm living for it. So that is the monthly. And then it also comes with options for your sidebar. So this has the kind of like, let me zoom it over just a little bit. Has the like arch, and then you have like the table with the cake on it. I just think it's super pretty, like little candles and like the tree peeking out. Love that. And then there's also an option if you want to do the functional one, which is super pretty as well. So really love this week's new releases. I'm dying over this wedding kit. I can't wait to use it in June. Wedding kits are something really nice to have on hand because, you know, you're probably going to go to a couple weddings in your life, and it's nice to have something to commemorate it with, and it's exclusive art. It's beautiful. I love the colors. And then the M kit you could totally use for Mother's Day. A lot of people ask me what kits were coming out for Mother's Day. I don't have any other plans to, unless, like, you know, of course, an artist like this is Bloomsicle decides to come out with a kit, then I will kind of consider it. But I do have a kit called Peony, which is a re-release of old art. I recolored it pink and released it in the new format. So that's also available as a Mother's Day option as well. So we do have 2 there for you guys. So that's everything for this week. I hope you guys like this week's new releases. This week's Plan On Me is so cute. I used the Bloom kit. It's going to be coming on Wednesday, and it is fire. And I will talk to you guys in my next video.